Dow Jones and Nasdaq with the opening of the market this week are trading with a good bearish bias. US100 is trading close to with the 1% drop, and US30 with a almost close to 0.5% drop. So can we expect this bearish momentum to continue? We have seen a good run, bullish run in the recent few weeks, almost 20% retracement is done. Now what to expect? Can we go short from here? Can we expect them to crash, or today it is going to bounce back again? Which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones will be up before the US cash session. So do watch it also. Let's start. First we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Yes, US30 has given a good gap down there, and there is a US100 has given a good gap down there in between 11,770 levels to 11,720, almost 50 points of gap. Certainly it may try to cover this gap sooner or later, but right now it is appears to be bearish. At the same time, one must not forget this is trading outside Bollinger Band. There is a potential for it to rise from here. And yes, how far it could go? First thing is where to go short. 11,640 levels appears to be good short entry, but remember 11,600 is a very good support. It can bounce back a little on the upside before looking forward to a drop. Yes, it is still bearish till the time it trades below 11,750. One can remain bearish, that is for sure. The direction movement extremely divergent, extremely bearish. It may try to converge a bit, and hence a little rise cannot be denied. The MACD divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading extremely oversold on the RD charts. There is a potential for it to rise a little. Need to be cautious of 11,640 levels. Look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise, this is only the second red candle which is going to start on the upside. 11,680, 700, certainly very good resistance. Only and only if it trades above 11,720 you can expect it to rise more. 11,760 is the ultimate resistance. The stochastic trading oversold, directional movement bearish, RSI oversold, hence you need to be careful here. The MACD is also trading divergent and bearish. It has the potential for it to continue with this bearish momentum. Now look at the 3-hour charts. After the break, this is the first red candle. It can try to remember this is trading outside the Bollinger Bands here. The bottom of the Bollinger Band situated at around 11,700. Hence, towards the close of this candle, it can get a pullback which might take it till towards 11,670, 680 levels. Certainly, that could be again another good short level where you can take a sell position and expect it to drop. 11,640 is a comfortable safe entry below which you can remain short. 11,600, 500 levels can be expected today if it continues to trade in this. Also at the same time, till it trades below 11,760, 780 levels, you can stay short. The directional movement is divergent and bearish. The stochastic is trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards and indicating bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour, now look at the 4-hour chart. Certainly the first red candle, there is a gap also which needs to be filled. If not today, possibly sometime later, it may bounce back to those zones. Or at the same time, 11,700 certainly appears to be a very good resistance on the upside. Yes, it is trading outside the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It can get a pullback before it tries to drop, and hence 11,680, 700 zone certainly be a good level for you to go short again. Till the time today US100 trades below 11,720, rather one can remain short in between 11,720 and 760. Do not take any position for these 40 points. On the downside below 11,640 you can expect 11,600 as the first target, 11,550 and 500 levels as the next target. You can see this 11,550. We have seen it consolidating here at 11,550. Very good support here. 11,500 double bottom here. Very good support. Below 11,500, it is going to crash heavily on the downside. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading oversold over here on the 4-hour charts as well. RSI is looking downwards, entering into oversold zone. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see the candle is started to form a shape, and you can find out the previous candle almost from 11,900 to 11,770 level, 130 points, and if you discount from 11,700 the same 130 points, you will expect that probably 11,570, 550 levels cannot be denied, which is a very good support, and below that 11,500 can be expected. The directional movement taking a bullish cross here, it is still trading bearish cross here, it is still trading in green. The stochastic is looking downwards and indicating little bearishness. The RSI is comfortable. The MACD, remember, is taking a crossover. We saw this on the daily chart that the MACD has seen the highs and are looking to converge crossover. Once it crosses over, we may see the bearishness to continue for a little while. Considering this for the day, in between 11,720 and 760 780 zone, do not trade for these 60 points. Only and only if US100 trades above 11,780 levels. Confirm this, it is trying to trade bullish, and then you can expect 11,840 880 900 zone again to get achieved. At the same time, till the time it trades below 11,720, you can expect it to drop. Good trading zone, because right now it is trading at 11,650. It is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence a little pullback on the upside cannot be denied till towards 11,680 670 zone. Those should be also very good level too for you to stay short. Expect 11,640 first target, 600 next target, 550 next target, and below that 500 levels cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at US30, and yes, those who want to learn this art should join my mentorship batch, where you can learn the art of reading the charts, art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time. So reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group, where you can trade as per the signals and definitely benefit. Now remember, my only official email ID and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Rest everything is a fraud, is a scam. Please don't get trapped. Only reach out to the official email and official telegram handle mentioned. Please match each and every word. Also, please don't get trapped from any of the investment schemes which you get on my name or any other's name. Also, a 100-fold return, a 10-fold return, a 5-fold return, a double the income return in 24 hours, 10 days, 1 week. All is a trap. One who can double or multifold mere capital of $100, $1,000, why he will ask money from you? See, he can multifold his own investment from 100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, and likewise he can keep growing his own capital. They will not ask you for your money to invest. Please, please, please apply some mind. There is no such scheme, there is no such genie who can give you 10-fold returns in 24 hours. Please avoid from such scams. Please report them all. And yes, if you want to learn, you can join my mentorship batch. If you want signals, the best I can give you is the signals, where I can tell you where to enter and where to exit. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email as mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the US30 has seen today a good enough drop. It consolidated here in this zone. Then it gave a gap down here at 34,300. So only bullish confirmation is above this zone. Yes, it may try to fill those gaps sooner or later, but right now it appears to trade in bearish zone. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic on the hourly charts is trading oversold. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading bearish. This is divergent. The RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you'll find there is a gap here. Yes, the gap, but at the same time, look at this consolidation zone, and US30 is now trading below this consolidation zone. 34,200, which was a very strong support earlier, is now breached, and now looking downwards. At the same time, this is also trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. 34,100 is the next support, which is a very good support. Below 34,100 only, you can expect that we are looking at 34,000 and below levels today itself. 33,950 is my favorite, and then 33,800, 700 are my favorite numbers. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour charts, it is given a breakout from this channel, and this is the first breakout candle. I'll expect it to sustain this momentum till the time today US30 trades below 34,300. One can remain short, one can expect a good drop, and my number for the support is 34,100, 34,000, 33,950, 33,800. See, 34,000 is now appears to be a very, very good support, because below that there is a lot much ground to be covered till towards 33,600 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, you will find that there is a resistance here at 34,300, and then there is a gap to be filled till towards 34,400. I'll wait for it to potentially fill the gap if some point in future, because filling the gap, it can again continue to trade with the bearish momentum. But look at the 4-hour charts. See, on the 4-hour charts, you will find that here is the support at 33,100. Only below 34,100 levels, I will recommend you to stay short on US30. Below 34,100, further possible drop till towards 34,000, 33,950, 33,800, 700 zone cannot be denied there. Directional movement taking over for a bearish cross. This is after long it is happening, and hence you need to be cautious. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has taken a bearish cross at the top here, and it is trading with divergence indicating more bearishness. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the daily charts now, look at the daily charts here. See, after multiple green candles, it is taking a drop from this minor retracement channel, and now potentially 34,000 first support, 33,800 next support, 33,600, 500 levels can potentially be expected. Now see how far it is trying to take this. If you look at this, it is trying to come back till 34,000, which is certainly very good support, and below that you can expect that it is trying to reverse a little, and then little more drop cannot be denied. See, I told you in my weekly analysis it drew something. Let me show you what we draw. Now look at the indicators. In that indicator I'll show you directional movement is divergent and bearish. The stochastic is overbought and looking downwards. There is a potential for it to come back a little down, and then you can expect it to bounce back from those levels. Expect its behavior. Now see, this is what I was telling about. The MACD is trading at the extremes there. See the bottom and the top there, it is traded overbought, and now looking forward to a divergence. This is indicating bearishness here, hence you need to be cautious. The RSI is overbought too, it is looking downward. So for the day, till the time it trades below 34,300, there is no buying opportunity. Above 34,300, expect it to fill the gap till towards 34,400 levels, and beyond 34,400 it is going to fly high. Till the time it trades below 34,300, stay short. So in between 34,300 and 400, do not trade. Below 34,300, my target is for yes, a safe sell opportunity. Either you should wait for a little retracement on the upside till towards 34,220, 240 zone. Around those levels you can initiate a sell position, so that the stop loss should be minimal till towards 34,300. Expect 34,100, 34,000, 33,950, 33,800. If not today, potentially sometime soon. Today, in this week, we may see it achieving those levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.